Good morning, students. Today we are continuing with our topic mean of grouped data. Today we don't have anything new to study. We'll just continue with exercise 14.1 questions 6 to 9 and exercise 14.2 the first question. Let's start the questions. First question. The table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. Find the mean daily expenditure on food by a suitable method. Students, here these are the class intervals. So you can see 100, 150, 150, 200. So this is a 3-digit number. So we'll go with step deviation method. What is the first step in step deviation method? You have to find the class marks. How will you find the class marks? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 150 plus 100, the whole divided by 2, that is 250 divided by 2 is 125. And this is the frequency given in your question. Now what is the next step? To find DI. What is DI? DI is XI minus A. What is this A? Do you remember what is this A? Yes, it is assumed mean. Assumed mean. We have taken the middle class mark as assumed mean. So here assumed mean is 225. Now DI is equal to XI minus A. 125 minus 225. What is that? 125 minus 225. What is the answer? 100. Okay. Next. Here 175 minus 225. 225 minus 225. Like that you will find DI. DI is equal to XI minus A. Now what is this? H. H is the class height. Height means if this is continuous, you can do upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. So what is upper limit minus lower limit here? 150 minus 100. 150 minus 100. That is 50. Here what was DI? DI was 125 minus 225 minus 100. Isn't it? 125 minus 225 is minus 100. Minus 100 divided by 50. It is minus 2. Okay children? Here 175 minus 225. 175 minus 225. What is the answer? Minus 50. Minus 50 divided by H. Here H is 50. So minus 50 by 50 is minus 1. Similarly, you will find all the UIs here. Next step is multiply the corresponding FI and UI. Multiply the corresponding FI and UI. 4 into minus 2 minus 8. 5 into minus 1 minus 5. 12 into 0 0. 2 into 1 2. 2 twos are 4. Clear? After getting this, you will apply these values to the formula of step deviation mean method. The formula is X bar is equal to A plus H into summation of FIUI by summation of FI. Here A is assumed mean, H is height of the class, and this is the sum of FIUI and Summation of Fi is the sum of frequencies. Here you will get the value as 211. Next question. To find out the concentration of SO2 in the air, the data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below. Students, so your table is about concentration of SO2 and frequency. Here you have decimal point and the question is find the mean concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air. Which method will you choose here? You will choose again step deviation method. Step deviation method. Here, first step is to find the class marks. First step is to find the class marks. Okay. Then, I told you class marks is upper limit minus lower limit. Next one. Here, students, how will you find the class marks? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. The class interval is upper limit minus lower limit. Don't get confused. Class mark is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So, find the class marks. Then, find the assumed mean. Here, you are taking 0.10 as assumed mean. Then find di. What is di? Xi minus a. Xi minus a. Then find ui. Ui is di by h. What is h? H is the height of the class or class interval. That is 0.04 minus 0.00. That is 0.04 itself. Okay, children. So, first one di 0.10 and 0.02 xi minus a. Then you are going to find ui, that is 0.10 minus 0.2 divided by 0.04. Here you have to apply the subtraction and addition rule that you have learned for decimals. Then after finding ui for all the readings, you have to find FIUI. That means frequency into ui. 4 into minus 2 minus 8. 9 into minus 1 minus 9. 9 into 0 0 etc. Then after that add all these terms. Add all these terms. When you are adding, apply the formula for these negative and positive numbers. Don't forget to consider the sign of these numbers. Then apply it in the formula for step deviation mean method. The formula is A plus summation FIUI by summation Fi into H. You will get the answer as 0.099 ppm. Parts per million. Let's see the next question. A class teacher has the following absentee record of 40 students of a class for the whole term. Find the mean number of days a student was absent. Students, you can see here xi will be 2 digits, but here number of students is 1 digit. So you can go for direct method. Okay, because multiplication of these numbers will be easy. So we'll go for direct method. So calculations will be very less and easy. Now 0 to 6. Frequency is 11. How will you find the class marks? 6 plus 0, 6. 6 by 2, 3. Upper limit plus lower limit, the whole divided by 2. Here 10 plus 6, 16. 16 by 2, 8. 14 plus 10, 24. 24 by 2, 12. Similarly, you will calculate all the exercise, that means class marks. So, for direct mean method, you don't have any other calculations. Multiply 11 into 3, 33. 10 into 8, 80. 7 into 12, 84. 4 into 17, 68. 4 into 24, 96. Now, what is the formula for direct mean method? Summation of Fixi by summation of Fi. Add all these terms. Students, you can see no negative terms are here. So, add all this. You will get 499 and add all the frequencies given in the question. You will get summation of Fi, that is 40. 499 divided by 40. Your answer will be 12.48 days. Next, we'll find it in the next video.